Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to soft reset your iPhone 11. This works on any models for the iPhone 11, the iPhone 11 Pro, all of that. It works on this. But before we get into the video, I have a giveaway for an iPhone 11. All you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, drop a like on the video, and leave a comment down below. The giveaway winner will be announced once I hit 50,000 subscribers. So the faster I hit that, the faster one of you will win the iPhone 11. So spread the word and get more people to subscribe for a better chance to win the iPhone 11. I hope one of you guys win it, and let's get right back into the video. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, hold the lock button. Continue to hold the lock button until your phone completely turns off. Once your phone completely turns off and you see the Apple logo, you can then release your finger. If you guys need any other assistance on any other iPhone video, comment down below or message me on Instagram. I'll get back to you guys as soon as possible. And there you guys go. Your iPhone 11 has been soft resetted. If this video has helped you out, make sure you subscribe to the channel and also drop a like down below.